Hey everyone, and welcome back to Polka Art Studio for another fun tutorial. Today we're diving into a super quirky and playful folio called Summertown. It's the first project in a new collection we're excited about. If you'd like to join in, you can find the kit link in the video description below. We printed everything on 160 GSM matte photo paper, then cut out the elements and inked the edges for that extra touch. For even more fun and free projects and printables, head over to our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to get a special new project sent right to you. We hope you're as excited as we are, so let's jump right into crafting. To start, you'll need the 3 house elements. We're using the large house as our base and attaching the smaller ones as flip panels on either side. Next, take the folio base and glue the assembled house piece on top. The base has fold edges for extra sturdiness, so go ahead and fold and glue them now. Flip the folio over and glue the left flip panel on the left side, then do the same with the right panel. The left panel has a fussy cut pocket element, which we'll add next. There's also a pocket for the interior side. Glue the pink house pocket to the middle flip panel inside. Continue by attaching the main panels. Start with the left one, making sure it's lined up straight as it will cover the spine and help reinforce the folio. For the right panel, you'll have two shutter elements to attach on its sides before gluing it down. Don't forget to check out our website for more fun and free printables. You can find the link in the video description. We've also included some fussy cuts to add dimension to your project. Instead of gluing them flat, we used foam squares to give them a bit of lift. You can now decorate your project in any way you like. You can use a selection of decorative elements and ephemera. We hope you have enjoyed this project and it has inspired you to create something magical. Have fun crafting.